Hello guys, it's me Karthik. Hope you guys are doing really good. So this is our third video in this playlist of sending bulk emails. So in our previous video, we have learned how to send a single email with the help of SendGrid, right? So we have learned how to form email object, how to form the mail object, how to form that request response, all those details. Let me show you that first. Okay, so this is what we did. We have learned to form from email to email and email object, and we learned how to set email body as well as the subject as well. This is just for single email. Is there anything I need to do it for multiple emails? Because the purpose is I don't want to send it for single guy, right? It's bulk means what? One or more than that, right? So how do I do that? Simply iterate over this, right? So what we did is in our previous video, we have learned about creating, no, we have built this JSON object, and from here we have built, right? So what I will do is I'll take a notepad plus plus and I will create a list out of this so that I can iterate it, and I can how many ever I wanted I can keep it. Okay, basically this is one way of doing it from the code, I mean from the endpoint. If you are using a service layer from other process, you will get a list and you will get it, right? So this is my one JSON object. So let's try to, I hope this is visible. I don't know how to maximize it here. There's an option to maximize. No. Okay, no issue. Okay, so this is one JSON object I have. Let me copy it, comma, paste it again, and put comma, paste it again, and close that this. Okay, so for all of them, I'll keep the from address as same. This is one from address. Then for the to address, whoever I wanted, I can send the email address, right? So let me keep something like some email address that I know I have. For this, let's say like uh, and for the other object as well, from address is same, and the to address, let me modify. Okay, and this is nothing but my list. Okay, this is good. Now let me go to my service layer here. I hope you guys are following this playlist because here we are using single, right? So the same thing let me use for the list. Okay, so simply create one more called public send bulk emails. Okay, so here list of what is that we have for each one. This is the one, right? So here email we have it. So emails details list I will take, and let's import that list. Okay, now as of now let's keep it white. For loop, let's apply for loop here, and for each detail email details like details colon of email details list. Okay, so for each email I have already built my send email, where I have learned to build email in email objects like from and to, and the content object send grid. This is available in our previous video. If I explain this again, it will take another half an hour. That's why I suggest you guys, strongly suggest you guys to watch this playlist where I have explained clearly. So I simply call this send email because I already have each object. From each object I am taking from email address, and to email address, I'm setting the content, I'm setting the email object, I'm sending the request and responses, right? So simply use send email, okay, of email. So I have this details, right? So let's use that details object here, and this is going to return as a list, and I think I need to add exception here. No, now I need, it will ask, okay. Okay, this is nothing but it is asking for the list string, right? So let's create a list here, like response list is nothing but new array list, so that I can simply add it here, response list dot add. Yeah, I think we are good to go, guys. That's very simple. Response list. Only thing is you need to know how to send individual emails first. In order, once you know only, once you understand this concept only, you can easily get the bulk one. Okay. Now let's build a controller in order to test this. So let me copy paste this guy. Send. Let's keep a bulk email here. So for that purpose, I will have list of email details list I will have, and import that list. Then let's add that service properly. Service dot send bulk emails of email detail list. I think we are here. This is returning the list of strings, right? So let's add that list of return string in the return statement. Okay, I think we are good to go, guys. Yep. Anything else you want me to explain this? Send email where, from, to, and all. I think I have already explained in that other video, right? Okay, I think it is running. Let me stop this server and try to rerun it again, so that all the changes will be reflected. Okay, in the meantime, let's start that another. Let me maximize a bit. I think this should be good, and this is nothing but instead of send single, you have the bulk email address. Where is that? Send bulk email, and the JSON object is nothing but your list. Let's take that list and keep it as JSON and beautify this. Let's see, is there any errors? No errors, right? We are good to go. Okay, I hope server is up in that time. Okay, server is also up. Let's run this. We are sending the emails, guys. So from one email, it will send 3 emails. Since the response, nothing is coming, so it is showing like this. That's okay. Let me try to. You could see here, this is one email. Sorry, this is, you could see we got this right properly, and any other things are already added here. Let me see. I don't remember the password. That's okay. So this is the way to do it, guys.